Okay, we are going to start installing arcGIS Pro in our computer. I have downloaded it in getintopc.com, and you can go there. I double click here, I click next, I overwrite it. Wait a bit. I launch the program. Next. I accept here. Next, next, install. This will take a bit. Let's start. Wait for it. I choose not to rate it run, and I choose finish. This is a archi. I have I've double clicked here window installer. You see it is I'm going to update. I click on update. I'm going to wait a while. I choose not run. I choose finish. Then after I'm going to clack it. Clacking it, I will come here. I choose I search arcGIS Pro. I open. You see this is here. The you see is here. After seeing this, I do like this. Then I come here and click. See, I copy this and I move it to where to where here I paste here. See, replace the file destination. Yeah, I select these two. Then after I got search arcGIS Pro, I open file location. Here again I open file location. Again I click on paste. Yeah, did it as complete. Continue. After that I come here, I copy this SRA licensing, I copy, I move to, I copy this, I'm going to put on here on users, I go here, I choose users app data local. I paste. I finish, then I go here, arcGIS Pro. You see, I have opened it. Thank you for watching. It's Bruce J. Denny. Meet another session.